I'm Benoît Tréluyer, and today we are in the Festival of Speed of Goodwood, and I'm driving, luckily I'm driving this Audi R18 with a color we had when we were winning Le Mans in 2011, and it's really good memories and really nice to drive back that car. I born 50 kilometers away from Le Mans, so I have been nearly all my weekend when it was a race, motorbike or race cars in Le Mans. I was there. I was as a spectator with my father. He was always bringing steps for me to see the race better. I was on his shoulder or whatever. I have seen so many races there, and for me Le Mans was kind of a race from superheroes, and I would have never even dreamed to be a race car driver at Le Mans. It was like something impossible for me. And then step by step, without really looking for, because I couldn't believe that it could happen to me, I became a race car driver, go-kart driver, then race car driver, then I was in Le Mans, and then I was in Audi to win Le Mans. I was like, wow. So, and then when I stepped on the first step of the podium, it was for me really a big relief, because all these people who trust in me during my career, you know, they were there because it was from my region where I was living. All my sponsors in the past who spent a lot of money to help me, and it was the best present I could give them. It's a car who really made something to my memories. The first time I drove for Audi, actually, it was on an open car, and the year before I had a crash with a closed car, and it saved my life. And when Audi called me and they say, "Can you drive? Would you like to drive for us?" I was okay, but when you will have a closed car, they say, "Not this year, but in next year." So I said, okay, so I'm ready. And yes, it was just before the hybrid, new generation cars, and still, I would say, a simple car to drive. So, and of course, the first winning in Le Mans with this morning when we did a 5 stint with the car was really amazing. I was really performing and really good for the tires, because we could run 5 stint on the same set of tires. We did actually in Le Mans the pole position with 4 stint on the tires. That was amazing. It was really an incredible car. When you are racing in Le Mans in a team like Audi, and you are here to win, your pressure is already at 99%, I would say. And when your two sister cars crashed before, you know, it was not the problem. Actually, it was not a mistake really from the car. It was a race incident. It was not from the car, it was not from the driver. So it was just a race incident. So it doesn't give you so much more pressure, you know. It just, yeah, you wanted to give to the team the victory for sure. So we made it. It was really hard work, but we had all the team behind us. You know, I remember we had Tom in the pit talking with us because we had a puncture actually at the last stint with Andre on his 5th stint as well, and then we were talking all together. So I could feel that time we were really a team, and we were Audi, and we were not the crew of a V's car or whatever. We were all together, and that feeling, it's what we are looking in motorsports. It's so nice because you can, very few details were different, but little details, because I remember the car perfectly. But honestly, to be in, you just think, wow, it was one of the greatest time of my life, and I still feel comfortable, still feeling tight, but honestly, I would love to be on the track again and push again with that car, because I would like to really feel the sensation we had. Honestly, something gives me a little bit. It was, yeah, so to be in that car again is so great. And you know, now I made my own team, and I know why I made it. And I want to live it again, to have this feeling again with my team, and it's why we are racing.